friends, this is the Three Otters brain teaser puzzle, wooden puzzle ball, unlock interlock game and 10-piece brain teasers for toys, adults and kids. So as you can see, these came like all in one package. And this is the interlock exquisite design, interlock game puzzle. This is a 3D ball. These are all like the traditional puzzle for the development of kids and adult, or their brain teaser just to solve. So I will explain that later on in this video. But before so this 3D puzzle they make of like wood, and the intact ball is a tribute to its ingenious structure. So if you don't understand this like me right now, so you cannot unlock the puzzle. So as per the quality, so these are wood and the metal ones, so they are safe, smooth and double plating edge for all the metal ones. So this is like how it will be solved, but I just found this one in the package, but I will add in my video how to unlock from the seller website so that it will be easy for you. Though I'm not going to solve all of these here, this will take time. I'm not used to or even good an expert to solve this, but yeah, so feeling wise this is a great metal, smooth, and is a fun and a good brain teaser for both kids and adults. So you can see the different puzzles here. These are all of metals and two for the wood. One is interlock and other is the ball one. Here is like the spring one, and the other different sort of puzzles. So there are many puzzles like this with this package. These are safe for kids, safe materials, smooth edges, high quality. For the wood, it's a colorful painting, and all are the traditional technique for the brain teaser and the development. So you can see the all different sort of puzzles and the brain teasers. So in total there is, as I mentioned, there are one 3D wooden ball puzzle, one 3D wooden cube puzzle, and 8 metal wire puzzles. So total 10 puzzles in this pack. The sizes and everything I will describe later on, including the images, so you can see it easily. So this is made of natural wood, non-toxic and odorless. So as you can feel and see here. So here is the sizes description: 2.8 inch, 2.5 inch ball. Here is different parts of these puzzles. Here is how you can do it or solve it, and more description is here stepwise for all the wooden puzzle, that how you can solve. For the cube ball, and for the metal pieces.